Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ProCheckUp for compliance management, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, start by visiting the ProCheckUp website. Download the ProCheckUp software from the download section. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the software on your device. After installation, launch ProCheckUp by clicking its icon on your desktop. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Select the option to create a new account if you are a first-time user. Provide the required information in the registration form, including your email and a secure password. Check your email for the confirmation link and click on it to activate your account. Once your account is activated, log in using your registered email and password. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard to access the main features. Locate the Compliance Management section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add New Compliance Standard to begin the configuration process. Choose the compliance standard relevant to your organization from the list. Fill in the required fields, including name, description, and applicable regulations. Upload any necessary documents or files associated with the compliance standard. Once you've added all the relevant information, click the Save button. You will receive a notification confirming that your compliance standard has been successfully added. Next, go to the Assign Users section. Select team members who will be responsible for managing the compliance tasks. Set deadlines and assign specific roles to each user as needed. After assignments are complete, click the Update button to save changes. Now, return to the dashboard to view your newly configured compliance standard. You can track progress by navigating to the Compliance Tasks section. Regularly check for updates or notifications relating to compliance tasks. Utilize the reporting feature to review compliance metrics and progress over time. Finally, ensure you schedule regular audits to maintain compliance and address any gaps in your management practices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.